I'm coming to you after our stop at Grand Turk Island, Turks and Caicos. So that's why I'm in my swimwear, if you will. But I wanted to give you a quick tour of our room, so let's check it out. A really kind of cool thing about the Princess Cruises is you have this medallion, and you can get in a bracelet, which you can purchase, or just have it in this lanyard, keep it with you, and when you get close to your room, it'll automatically unlock the door. So, funny story, we were in R318, which was an inside stateroom, which would be over there. And when they went to turn down our bed for the first night, the kids' bed did not come down without collapsing on the bed below it. So they gave us a complimentary upgrade to the junior suite balcony. And it's amazing. So we'll start out just with a quick look at the room here. You have a queen bed, super comfortable, actually one of the best cruise beds we've had. So we're very excited to have that. And you have your bunk area, which can convert to just a seating area with a coffee table. TV there. There's Chris. TV there. So the kids have their own TV at their bunk beds. We have a balcony, which we did not initially intend to have, but if you can, always get the balcony, right? Steph is obsessed with the balcony. Every morning she's out here.
I'm out here too.
And Jake's out there too. He'd like to let you know. Steph totally didn't break the bed.
I did not break the bed.
It's the opposite of Chris Luck. If you follow us, you know Chris Luck. This is the opposite of it. We'll call it Steph Luck.
Or
Yeah.
everyone else but Chris.
Everyone else but me, yes. Any decision I make turns out into Chris Luck.
Yeah, inside cabin to mini suite with 2 TVs and a balcony.
Yep.
A full bathtub.
Yeah.
Show the full bathtub.
We're about to hit the bathtub, yeah. I should point out you do have your own mini fridge, which they were nice enough to actually do a complimentary mini bar for us. Another cool feature of this stateroom is there is a curtain. So while it's not a full door in between the kids and the adults, you can actually close this curtain and have some privacy. Our kids actually really like it because they'll put on a movie they want to watch over there. We'll be watching something on our side, and it works out. A quick overview of what they have on the TVs is your standard kind of try to sell you stuff on the cruise. You can actually order room service or even gamble. Play blackjack from your TV in your room with real money at the real casino while you're out at sea, which is pretty cool. They have a good selection of movies and live TV. We haven't encountered too many problems with it. If you do order room service with it, take it with a grain of salt that you may actually receive it. Always call room service is what we found, but they do have a good amount of movies, shows, etc. So I do like this setup that they have in the rooms. So if we open that door down this little hallway closet area, you will get into the bathroom. It's a little bit foggy because the kids just got out of the shower, but it's a really good sized bathroom. The inside room, not nearly this big, really tight, really small. It is a pretty tiny toilet they have in here, but it is nice to have a full bath, shower, the full spray unit, all the amenities you may need. Shampoo, conditioner, body gel, etc. So yeah, it's a very nice bathroom, especially on the junior suite that we have. Thanks for coming along on our quick room tour. We appreciate you following, subscribing, likes, comments. We're happy to answer any questions about the trips we go on. But I just can't say enough about being upgraded to this junior suite from our inside room, which is much tinier, much more intimate, we'll say. So this let us have a much more fun vacation with our kids. And it's 5 o'clock somewhere. We gotta go. Thanks for coming along. Enjoy your quest. We'll see you next time. Bye, all. Have you ever seen the videos of the people getting left behind at the cruise ports? It's pretty funny. Very unfortunate for them because there can be a lot of hurdles there. But it's kind of funny because get back to the ship on time. We never have a problem. We're not rule breakers. Sometimes.